don't need a hype team. How you gon' move on the show? You ain't got no hype team. They be like, hey, they be like, hey, they be like, hey, they be like, hey.
Yes, sir, boy.
Look, hey, going in with the Drake flow, rap stats with the Drake.
What's up, my people? It's a beautiful day right now in Lebanon. Guess what? I got a dope surprise for you guys. So, this is the first ever All-Star game they have in Lebanon, and I was selected to be part of it. Great honor. Played one game here, and it was great. And they selected me to be in an All-Star game, and I'm about to go to it, and I want to bring you guys along, so you guys can see how the All-Star game is in Lebanon and see the fans and how everything is. They got a 3-point shootout that I'm trying to make it in time for. And then they also have a slam dunk contest, and then 2 games to 50. Then whichever team wins, they move to All-Star. Yo, come along. Off to the game. Like I told you, it's a beautiful day out in Lebanon. Beautiful day. Let's get going. Right now, but there is no parking. Packed full. Trying to find some parking spot. Whole game full. Off to Lebanon we go. I hit the airport right now. I'll translate it downstairs. See you soon, Lebanon. Peace, Korea. Peace out, baby. Appreciate you. Thank you for everything, man. See you. Be safe. I think I'm at the right gate. Gate 40. Let's see. Gate 40, right? Finally made it to Lebanon. To the airport. Just touched down. I don't know what time it is, but I'll go to this game real quick. Good to go now. This guy here walking to the gym right now. Let's see what this shit about. That was light. I'm gonna make it to Team Snaps, man. Kuwaiti boys back.
We back, dog. They can't keep us out the Middle East. We back, dog.
Right back.
Back at it again.
This time in Lebanon. Hey! How you feel, my boy? Yes, sir. Oh yeah, bucket. Fucking dome, baby. Good play, baby. Yes, sir, boy. Tie game right now. Tie game. Oh, they up. They up one. But we got it though. Good move. Get 2 stops right here. What happened?
We lost $10,000.
$10,000 we just lost. Hey, MG, we just lost 10 bands.
We'll get it back some other way.
Good shit though, baby. Good job, coach. Thank you. Let's fucking play. What's up, baby? Hey, what's up, baby? Thank you. I gotta see after this.
What is your YouTube channel?
Go on my Instagram, you're fine on my Instagram. Go on the link on my Instagram. On YouTube, go on YouTube. Forever, baby.
Nice up. Good, man.
What's up? Alright, I'm gonna tell you how to get it. Thank you. You're welcome. Yeah. Man, how crazy was that? Nah, it was a dope environment. All-Star game was dope. We came up short a little bit, but hey, I enjoyed it, had a great time. The fans of Lebanon is crazy. I appreciate y'all, love the energy. And man, don't remember, like, follow, and subscribe. If y'all want to see more content like this, let me know. Leave a comment in the bottom. Let me know. Peace out.